A very happy morning to my dear children. So here we are with chapter number 10, Motion and Measurement of Distances. Our today's topic is SI unit of physical quantities and measurement of length. So come on children, let's start. SI unit of physical quantity. Now what is this? So in 1960, scientists adopted uniform and convenient common sets of standard units for the measurement of various physical quantities, because if we were using other systems, for example hand span or so on, the measurement was not uniform. So that's why SI unit of measurement was adopted. This system is known as the International System of Units or the SI units. The SI units that are used in all the countries of the world for some physical quantities are as follows. So the SI unit of length is meter. In short we write it as m. ठीक है, हम लेंथ हमेशा मेजर करते हैं मीटर में. SI unit of time is second, short form S. SI unit of mass is kilogram, short form kg. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. It is represented as K. So this is very important. SI unit of different physical quantities. Children, mark it important, okay? Draw 3 stars here or highlight this. This is very important and you should know this. Now we will come to measurement of length. See, measurement of length. We measure length in our day-to-day life, right? Length is the distance between any 2 points or places. See, any 2 points. This point and this point. हम ये कैसे measure करते हैं? Length. हम length measure करेंगे तो हमें पता चल जाएगा, right? कि ये कितना लंबा है, right? So this is measurement of length. The distance between 2 points. Suppose these 2 points are there. इनके बीच में distance कितना है? The measurement of the distance is called length. Now, width, breadth, depth, thickness, distance and height are all measurements of length. ये सब measurement of length है. See, width, breadth, depth, thickness, all these are measurement of length. Length can be measured with the help of a ruler, your scale, a measuring tape, a meter rod, etc. See, these are the various devices used to measure length. A flexible tape used by civil engineers, flexible tape used by tailors. This is used by tailors. Now, to measure small length or short distances, a pencil or a notebook has small length. Like this pen has a small length. This we can measure using centimeter. Okay. That is much smaller than a meter. It is inconvenient to express such length in term of meter. So हम क्या use करते हैं? We use centimeter. To measure small length, we use centimeter. Underline small length and circle centimeter. And 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. This is also very important. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now, the thickness of a thin wire is much smaller than a centimeter, है ना? तो हम एक ऐसा यूनिट यूज करेंगे जो सेंटीमीटर से भी छोटा हो, एंड दैट यूनिट इज mm, दैट इज मिलीमीटर. ओके, मिलीमीटर. एंड 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 10 मिलीमीटर. ठीक है. Small unit we use centimeter. Very small we use millimeter. For example, thickness of a wire, it is very small. So thickness of such objects which are very small, for example wire, are measured in millimeter mm. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm, 1 meter is equal to 1000 mm. Now, to measure large length or long distances, come on, the distance between two towns or two cities is measured in which unit? Come on, tell me. Yes, it is kilometers. See, here it is. Kilometers, see. Kilometers, okay. So, very small, mm, small, centimeter, large, kilometers, okay. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and the SI unit of length is meter, okay children. Now, we will solve example 1. 3. Radha's house is 6540 meters from her friend's house. ठीक है? So, we will write it here. What distance we are having? 6540. So, children, the distance in meters is 6540. Okay? Now, calculate the distance in kilometers. So, what we are having? Distance is 6540 meters and we have to convert this into kilometers. So, as we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, right? It is equal to 1000 meters, okay? This we know. Now, suppose children, if the distance in kilometer is x, we are assuming that it is x. Now, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and here we are having 6540 meter, okay. And suppose in kilometer it is x. हमें x find करना है तो हम कैसे find out करेंगे? By cross multiplication. So, 6540 into 1 is equal to x into 1000. So, x will be equal to 6540 okay, divided by 1000. Okay, x is here, okay. 6540 into 1 is 6540, 1000 multiply में था, अगर 1000 यहाँ पर आएगा तो it will go in divide. So now 6540 divided by 1000 is 6.540 kilometer. Okay, so our answer is 6x is equal to 6.540 kilometer. Okay children, now let's move forward. Yes, Rahul has a rope that is 2 meter long. Okay, it is 2 meter long. Now express this length into centimeter. ठीक है? Now we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, right? So 2 meter will be equal to 2 into 200, that is 200 centimeter. Don't forget to put here units, okay? cm, 200 centimeter. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. Now, how to measure the length of an object? Now see children, there are various things that we should keep in mind. See, whenever we are measuring the length of an object, see, I will magnify this so that it is easier for you to see. ये देखो, A, B, we are having 2 points. Now as you can see, where is 0? 0 कहाँ पर है? At the starting point 0 is there, okay? At the starting point. This is very important. आपको स्केल, ये जो 0 वाली लाइन है वो आपको हमेशा स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पर रखनी चाहिए. So the zero should be on the zero mark of the scale should be on the starting point, and see at the ending point what is coming here, 4.5. Okay, so this is how we measure the length of objects using the scale. आपको क्या ध्यान रखना है कि zero mark of the scale should be at the starting point, and then as we measure length of line segment we can measure. Now what are the precautions that we should take while using a scale? The first one is placement of the scale. The scale should be placed with the object along its length as shown in the figure. जैसे अभी हमने देखा, zero should be at the starting point and at the end so that we can read it correctly. If we place it at an angle as shown in figure 10.6b, our reading will not be correct. So let's see. ये देखो, हमारी जो स्केल है वो टेढ़ी नहीं होनी चाहिए. It should not be slanting. It should be straight like this. This is the correct placement and this one is the wrong placement. Then we will not get the accurate result. Then worn out ends. In some scales, the zero mark cannot be clearly seen or the ends of the scales may be broken. In such cases, we should measure the length of the object by placing the scale at some other fixed point. See, this scale is broken. इसमें zero तो है ही नहीं, तो अब हम क्या करेंगे? तो we will place the scale at some another point. For example, 1. हमने यहाँ पर इसको किधर place किया है? At 1 we are assuming it as the starting point. We subtract the reading of this mark, that is 1 centimeter. यहाँ पर हमारी starting mark क्या है? 1 centimeter. Okay, from the reading of the other end. Now see children, other end की reading क्या है हमारी? Reading of the other end. So what is the reading of the other end? It is 5.5 centimeter. See, this is 5 and this small line, it is showing 5.5. So this is the reading of the other end. Now, and we subtract the reading of this mark, that is the fixed mark. What is the fixed mark here? 1 centimeter. See, this is the 1 centimeter fixed mark. So we will subtract this and we will get the final answer. So 5.5 minus 1.0. 5.5 minus 1.0 is 4.5. So our answer will be 4.5 centimeter. Okay. Now, position of the eye, which is very important. Okay, where is our position? Now see, various positions are shown. Our eye must be focused exactly above the point. This is the point and our eye should be exactly above, and this one is the correct. Now, point X is the correct position of the scale. See, if we will keep our eyes like this in slanting, then we will get the wrong reading like this. We will not get 4.5. We can get 4.7. So this is wrong reading. If we will place our eye like this, then we will get 4.4, 4.3. Again we will get wrong reading. So our eyes should be just above our point. Now children, we will learn a very interesting thing, that is how to measure a curved line. है ना, हमने straight line तो बहुत measure किए हैं. Now how you will measure a curved line like this? It's very simple. Take a thread, tie a knot, okay, and put that knot at the starting point here, okay. Then put a thread here like this, like this, like this. फिर thread यहाँ पर खत्म हो जाएगा. Mark the thread here, okay. You can mark with a sketch pen. Done, okay. Now what can we do? We can elongate the thread, okay. हम thread को elongate कर सकते हैं, and after that you can measure the knot and the mark here. See, It is written over here. Straighten the thread and measure its length between the knot and the other mark by keeping along a meter scale. Okay, by keeping a meter scale we can measure, right? So this is how the length of this portion is the length of the curved line. Okay children, so for today this was it, and these two MCQs are your homework. Okay kids, bye bye, take care, may God bless you.